Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and one-touch window functionality. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.